everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have a lot of fun. You know why? Because we're going to play games, and games are always fun. First of all, I have to give you the answers to my previous quiz that I asked. If you've not seen that video, go check it out. You know why? Because there were two parts in it. One was guess the country and the second was guess the footballer. So you can go watch that one out if you have not seen it yet, because I'm going to reveal the answers now. So the answer to guess the country was, drum rolls please, it was Spain. And the second answer to the quiz guess the footballer was, drum rolls again, Gigi Buffon. So ये वाले answers थे दोनों. Most of you got it right and I'm very happy about it that everybody knows the answers because I make it so simple for you all. But this quiz is not going to be that simple. I made sure of that. Today also we are going to have two parts in the game. So stay tuned till the end to know what is the second game because it's going to be very interesting. Let's get into the video now. Okay, so the game A is the transfer game. Now I will tell you the clubs in which this player has played. It can be the loan wale clubs also, and it can be the regular clubs also in which that player has played. So you have to guess that which footballer is this according to the transfers of the club. Okay, very simple. Let's start, and do comment below whatever the answer you think is right. I'll reveal the answer in my next video. So this player started from Liverpool, and then he went to Tranmere Rovers, and then he went to Hull City, and then he went to Red Bull Salzburg, and finally now he's playing at Red Bull Leipzig. So this player has played for pretty good clubs. Can you guess who he is? Anyhow, do comment below that from which clue did you get it right. Now let's get on to our second quiz, which is the clue game. So your first clue is that this player during his childhood, he was a little kid with a brave heart. This little brave heart was very well known during his youthful career as the smallest kid who used to outplay the biggest players in any part of the world. So your clue number 2 is that while growing up, he used to watch videos of Andres Iniesta, and during his youthful career, he was obsessed with Thierry Henry. Okay, I understand everyone is obsessed with these two idols, but make your guesses. So your clue number 3 is very interesting, which is that his ex-girlfriend, who was 5 years elder to him, she accused him of splitting with her as soon as he tasted success in football. And she also claimed that she financially helped him when he was totally broke, and also she quit her job to take care of him when he was injured. And obviously they're not together now. Your clue number 4 is that this season he had 8 goals, 3 assists in 9 matches. Now those are pretty good stats. Okay, so your last clue, which is 5th clue, is quite a giver because you will definitely get it from this one, which is he brought the dab dance craze into English football with his dabbing goal celebration at St. James Park. Who do you think it is? Okay, these are the only clues that you're going to get. Whatever the answer that you think it is, right or wrong, doesn't matter, just comment below and I will reveal the answers in my next video like I said. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, hit that bell icon because it takes a lot of effort for me to make these videos, and a little help from you, like appreciating it, would help me. Thank you so much. Namaste.